A plant-based diet, what is it, and why are people so excited about it? This way of eating has been transforming lives around the world. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle that helps you stay healthy, feel great, and live longer. Imagine boosting your energy, protecting your heart, and preventing diseases, all while eating delicious, satisfying meals. This diet isn't about cutting back. It's about adding vibrant, nutritious foods that help your body thrive. The best part? It's super flexible. You don't have to give up your favorite meals right away. You can take small steps, making easy changes that fit your life. And the benefits are huge. From weight loss to stronger heart health, studies show that a plant-based diet can make a real difference. In this video, we'll learn all about the amazing benefits of a plant-based diet and how you can get started. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and help us reach our goal of 500 subscribers for more healthy tips and tricks. Let's get started. The incredible benefits of a plant-based diet. 1. Heart health. Eating more plants can make your heart stronger. Plants are full of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats that protect your heart. They help lower cholesterol and keep your blood pressure low, reducing the risk of heart disease. A study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that people who follow a plant-based diet have a 25% lower risk of developing heart disease. Number 2, weight loss and management. Eating more plant-based foods can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. That's because plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are low in calories but high in fiber. Fiber makes you feel full longer, so you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. 3, lower risk of diseases. A plant-based diet has been linked to a lower risk of developing chronic diseases, like type 2 diabetes and some cancers. One study showed that plant-based eaters have a 34% lower risk of getting type 2 diabetes. Plus, eating lots of fruits and vegetables can help protect your body from certain cancers. 4, boost your energy. Plants provide your body with natural energy. When you eat whole, plant-based foods, you fuel your body with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that keep you feeling energized throughout the day. No more afternoon slumps or feeling tired after a big meal. 5, healthy digestion. The fiber in plant-based foods is great for your gut health. It helps you digest food better and keeps everything moving smoothly. A healthy gut is key to overall well-being and even boosts your immune system. Number 6, mental health boost. Not only is a plant-based diet good for your body, but it can also improve your mental health. Studies have shown that eating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. These foods provide nutrients that support brain function and boost your mood. 7, clearer skin. Another benefit is how plant-based diets can improve your skin. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in fruits and vegetables help reduce acne, give the skin a natural glow, and slow down the signs of aging. 8, longevity. People who eat plant-based diets tend to live longer. The blue zones, regions where people live the longest, share a common trait. Most follow plant-based diets. Studies show that a diet rich in plant foods is associated with lower mortality rates. 9, better for the planet. Not only is a plant-based diet great for your body, but it's also better for the environment. Animal farming uses up a lot of resources like water and energy and produces greenhouse gases. By eating more plants and less meat, you help reduce your carbon footprint. In fact, some studies show that switching to a plant-based diet can reduce your carbon footprint by up to 73%. Now that we've talked about the amazing benefits, let's get into how you can start eating plant-based. Don't worry, you don't have to make big changes overnight. Here are some easy steps to help you get started. 1, start with one meal at a time. You don't have to go fully plant-based right away. Start small by replacing one meal a day or a few meals a week with plant-based options. For breakfast, try oatmeal topped with fruit, nuts, and seeds. For lunch, have a salad packed with leafy greens, chickpeas, and avocado. For dinner, you can swap your regular pasta for a veggie-packed stir-fry or a grain bowl with quinoa, beans, and roasted vegetables. 2, simple swaps. Make small changes to your favorite meals. If you love spaghetti, try using a plant-based sauce and swap meatballs for lentils or mushrooms. Swap dairy milk for almond or oat milk. You can still enjoy your favorite foods, just with healthier, plant-based versions. Plan ahead. Planning is key. When you plan your meals ahead of time, you're more likely to stick with your new diet. Prep plant-based meals in advance and store them in the fridge for easy access. This helps you avoid grabbing unhealthy snacks when you're in a rush. 4. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Make sure to get enough protein, iron, and calcium from plant-based sources like legumes, leafy greens, tofu, and fortified plant milks. Eating a variety of these foods will ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. 5. Shopping tips. When you're at the grocery store, focus on buying whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and beans. Read labels to avoid processed foods with hidden animal ingredients. You'll find that many grocery stores now have plant-based sections with lots of healthy options. 6. Eating out can be easy on a plant-based diet. Many restaurants offer plant-based options like salads, veggie burgers, or grain bowls. Try ethnic cuisines like Indian, Mediterranean, or Thai, which naturally have many plant-based dishes. 7. Add, don't subtract. Focus on adding more plant-based foods rather than cutting out all animal products at once. Add more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and seeds to your meals. Over time, you'll naturally reduce your intake of meat and dairy without feeling restricted. 8. Try new recipes. Experiment in the kitchen. There are so many plant-based recipes that are easy to make and taste amazing. From black bean burgers to lentil soups and veggie stir-fries, you'll find endless meal options that are both healthy and satisfying. Scientific research strongly supports the benefits of a plant-based diet. Studies show that people who eat more plants have lower risks of many serious diseases. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that people who follow a plant-based diet have lower levels of inflammation, which can help prevent diseases like arthritis. Let's quickly recap. A plant-based diet can help protect your heart, lower the risk of diseases, improve digestion, boost your energy, and even help you live longer. You don't need to make big changes all at once. Just start small by adding more plant-based foods into your meals, one step at a time. From planning ahead to exploring new recipes, there are many ways to enjoy the benefits of this healthy lifestyle. A plant-based diet isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle that supports your health, your energy, and even the environment. Whether you want to feel better, lose weight, or just eat more nutritious foods, this diet offers huge benefits. And the best part? You don't have to go all in right away. Start by adding more plant-based meals into your week, and soon you'll notice the difference. Eating a plant-based diet is not only a way to care for your own body, but it's also a choice that helps protect our planet. By choosing plant-based meals, you're contributing to a healthier future for both yourself and the environment. Small steps can lead to big changes. Just take it one meal at a time. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Take small steps, make simple swaps, and enjoy the journey of exploring new foods. Your body will thank you, and the planet will too. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you next time.